Hello, my dear students. Welcome to the another session of General Knowledge with your Sarika Sharma ma'am. Students, today we will study topic in the north, page number 56 and 58 and 59 page, that is natural wonders of India. Let's begin the session with the topic in the north, page number 56. Let's have an introduction. North India is a loosely defined region consisting of the northern part of India. Children, the northern region is among the largest regions in India. सबसे बड़ा regions is the largest regions in India, comprising 8 states. Some examples I am telling you, like Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, etc. Here are some examples of places, food and beliefs of North Indian. I am going to show you some pictures. Just look them. Badrinath temple at Uttarakhand. Srinagar. I told you the food, North Indian thali, and the famous for chole bhature also. The famous food is chole bhature also. The dance, Bhangra. Now come to the exercise, children. As I told you, in this chapter we will know about the north regions of India. India is divided into different zones: north, south, east, west and central. Children, please open page number 56 also in your book. How well do you know about North India? Just see the question and answer this question. You have been given 3 options and you just tick the correct answer. Which North Indian state is called Land of Gods because of the many temples found there? Which Northern Indian state is called Land of Gods because of many temples found there? Option A, Punjab. Option B, Haryana. Option C, Uttarakhand. Children, the correct answer is option C, that is Uttarakhand. Children, you can see so many temples there in Uttarakhand. Badrinath, as I shown you in the picture also, famous temple. Baijnath temple, and another temple is Kedarnath. So, Land of Gods, Uttarakhand. Second, traditionally which mountain range separates North India from South India? Traditionally, which mountain range separates North India from South India? A, Aravalli. B, Vindhyachal. C, Satpura. The correct answer is Vindhyachal. B, option B, Vindhyachal is correct. Third, children, Wajid Ali Shah was the 10th and the last Nawab of which princely state of northern India? Children, Wajid Ali Shah was the 10th and the last Nawab of which princely state? कौन सी state के थे? A, Awadh. B, Rampur. C, Khairpur. The correct answer is A, Awadh. Odd. Question number 4. The Deckingum National Park, which is home to the Hungal or the red deer. Children, red deer का ये home है Deckingum National Park, and they are asking is in which northern state? कौन सी northern state में है ये जो red deer का home है, and it is called Deckingum National Park? A, Uttar Pradesh. B, Uttarakhand. C, Jammu and Kashmir. The correct answer is C, Jammu and Kashmir. So just tick the correct answer. Fifth, which district of Jammu and Kashmir was in news because of a small war between India and Pakistan that took place in 1999? आपको याद होगा बेटा 1999 में इंडिया और पाकिस्तान के बीच में एक वॉर हुई थी छोटी सी. ऑफ कोर्स इंडिया वन ऑन दैट. वेयर इट वाज? नंबर 1 ए ऑप्शन ले, बी कारगिल, सी श्रीनगर. सबको याद आ जाएगा ये कारगिल की युद्ध था, राइट ना. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी कारगिल. बहुत सारे सोल्जर्स इंडिया के शहीद हुए थे बेटा. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज कारगिल. 6. What do you call the 36 course meal served on special occasions in Kashmir homes? Children, जब कश्मीर में कोई ओकेज़न होता है, शायद आपकी वेडिंग है या कोई एक अच्छा सा ओकेज़न होता है, दैट इज़ दे आर यूजिंग 36 कोर्स मील. इन दैट कोर्स दे आर कीपिंग 36 टाइप्स ऑफ डिशेज लाइक दम आलू, mutton, kebab, seekh kebabs. They are keeping 36 different types of dishes. So what they are saying to them? A. Korma, no. B. Tandoor, no. C. Wazwan. Yes, this is called Wazwan. What do you call the 36 course meal served on a special occasion in Kashmir homes? C. Wazwan. 7th, which North Indian state is known as the granary of India because of the agricultural प्रोड्यूस? ए. पंजाब. सबको पता है पंजाब हरियाली धरती है. बी. हरियाणा. सी. उत्तर प्रदेश. सो ग्रेनरी ऑफ इंडिया, ए ऑप्शन पंजाब इज करेक्ट. टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, ए पंजाब. 8th, द नेम ऑफ विच हिल स्टेशन इन उत्तराखंड लिटरली मीन्स द क्वींस मीडो? चिल्ड्रन, as the name says queens, Rani. So A. Nainital, no. B. Mussoorie, no. C. Rani Khet, yes. Option C is correct. Queen's Meadow is Rani Khet. And children, क्या हुआ था? Because the name knows, because the legend, that name was Sudhadhar. Raja Sudhadhar won the heart of Queen Padmini there. That's why it is called Rani Khet. So, first answer option 1, or question number 1, option C, Uttarakhand is correct. Second answer, traditional which mountain range separates from North India and South India? Vindhyachal. Option B is correct. Third, Wajid Ali Shah was the 10th and the last Nawab of which princely state of northern India? A. Awadh. Correct answer. Sport, the Deckingham National Park, which is home to the Hangal or the red deer, is in which North Indian state? C. Jammu and Kashmir. 5. Which district of Jammu and Kashmir is in news because of a small war between India and Pakistan that took place in 1999? The correct answer, B. Kargil. 6. What do you call the 36 course meal served on a special occasion in Kashmiri homes? The correct answer, C was 1. Question number 7. Which North Indian state is India as the granary of India because of rich agricultural produce? Correct answer, A. Punjab. 8th. The name of which hill station in Uttarakhand literally means the Queen's Meadow? Answer is C. Rani Khet. Children, do the correct answer, write the correct answer and do page number 56 in your book. Children, 57 page is having the game. I will send you the PDF of page number 57 on your portal. Of course, 56 also I will send. Now, come to the next topic, natural wonders of India, page number 58 and 59. Children, natural wonders of India. What do you mean by natural wonders? A natural wonder must be clearly defined natural site or natural monument that was not created or significantly altered by humans. Humans के बाद से नहीं होते हैं ये signified. Each of the original 7 natural wonders is in existence today and they all provide visitor with amazement and wonder. In India, we can see many of such natural wonders. Natural wonders must be clearly defined. Natural site, जो natural होते हैं बेटा, as the name says also, or we can see so many natural wonders in India. Just have a look. I am going to show you the picture. Beautiful balancing rock. It is in Tamil Nadu. We will study in the briefly in the page number when I will teach you page number 58 and 59. Next, Amarnath Cave, very familiar. Lord Shiva, Jammu and Kashmir. Run of Kutch, Gujarat. Now come to the chapter, children. Here you can see first one, Great Run of Kutch. It is the largest salt desert in world. It appears as a salt marsh in the Thar Desert. It lies between Sindh in Pakistan and Gujarat in India. It is divided into two main parts, the Great Run of Kutch and the Little Run of Kutch. It looks very beautiful on a full moonlight. Children, first picture you are just see on your screen. It is the Great Run of Kutch. And children, what do you mean by salt marsh? Salt marsh are coastal wetlands that are flooded and drained by salt water. These are coastal wetlands, and they are flooded and drained by salt water brought in by tides. Next, the Valley of Flowers. Just see second picture. Yes, Valley of Flowers. The Valley of Flowers is in Indian National Park in Uttarakhand. It lies between the mountain range of Janskar and the Great Himalayas. The park has around 520 species of plants. Socho, 520 species of plants, of which 498 are flowering plants. पार्क में बेटा 520 स्पेसीज हैं और जिनमें से 498 जो हैं वो फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स है. देखो, जस्ट सी सेकेंड नंबर ऑफ पिक्चर, दैट इज कॉल्ड वैली ऑफ फ्लावर्स. एंड व्हाट आर द अट्रैक्शन? ऑर्किड्स, पॉपीज, मैरीगोल्ड, डेजीज एंड मैनी मोर प्लांट्स. नेक्स्ट, थर्ड, अमरनाथ केव, वेरी फेमस केव. अभी जस्ट यू कैन, इट इज एन आइस stalagmite. It is a stalagmite. It is to deposit on the floor of a cave formed by dripping water or other liquid. Children, what is a stalagmite? It is a deposit on the floor of a cave formed by dripping water. ऊपर से water dripping करता है and other liquids. अपने आप बनते हैं. मैंने बताया ना, अमरनाथ की केव बहुत फेमस है. शिव जी अपने आप शिवलिंग बनता है वहाँ पर. And in the state of where it is? In the state of Jammu and Kashmir. It is holy site of the Hindus. Everybody knows कि अमरनाथ जाते हैं, चलो अमरनाथ. एंड डेडिकेटेड टू लॉर्ड शिवा. ऑब्वियसली शिवलिंग बन रहा है तो इट विल बी डेडिकेटेड टू लॉर्ड शिवा. इट स्लोली मेल्ट्स ड्यूरिंग द समर्स एंड मंथ ऑफ मे टू अगस्त. अपने आप मेल्ट हो जाता है और फिर फॉर्म्ड हो जाता है. दैट इज अ नेचुरल, दैट्स वाई इट इज अ नेचुरल वंडर. एंड इट इज अगेन फॉर्म्ड देयर आफ्टर इन विंटर्स. विंटर्स में बनता है, समर्स में अपने आप मेल्ट हो जाता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड द नेचर एंड इट, दैट्स वाई इट इज अ नेचुरल वंडर. ओके, नेक्स्ट, जोग फॉल्स. जोग फॉल्स आर लोकेटेड in the शिमोगा डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ कर्नाटका. चिल्ड्रन, ये 4 फॉल्स से मिलकर बना होता है. राजा रानी, रॉयल एंड रॉकेट मर्ज टू फॉर्म द ह्यूज वाटर. ये एक साथ मिलते हैं ये सब चारों, एंड देन इट इज फॉलिंग जोग फॉल्स. एंड द अनदर नेम ऑफ जोग फॉल इज जेरेसिपा. द अनदर नेम ऑफ जोग फॉल वी कैन से जेरेसिपा. जस्ट सी, ब्यूटीफुल, बहुत सुंदर लगता है ये जोग फॉल. नेक्स्ट, ये यू कैन सी ऑन पिक्चर नंबर 4. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, पिक्चर नंबर 5, लकटक लेक इन मणिपुर. Laktak Lake is the largest freshwater lake in northeast India. Kebul-Lamajau National Park, the only floating park in the world, is a part of Laktak Lake. It is famous for the floating plants, fumids, which can be seen floating on lake. Fumids क्या होते हैं बेटा? Heterogeneous mass of vegetation, soil and organic matter at various stages of decomposites. This lake plays very important role in the economy of Manipur. This lake plays an important role in the economy of Manipur. Laktak Lake, just you can see here. Now I showed you the picture also. Balancing Rock. Balancing Rock in Tamil Nadu. At Mahabalipuram in Tamil Nadu is the famous balancing rock. It is huge rock which stands on a very tiny and slippery area of hill. बहुत छोटे से एरिया में और स्लिपरी एरिया है बेटा. एंड बट हैज़ नेवर लॉस्ट बैलेंस. यू कैन सी, मैंने पहले भी दिखाया था, एंड यू कैन सी ऑन दिस हेयर पिक्चर नंबर 6. यू कैन सी हेयर, एंड इट इज़ अराउंड 20 feet high beta and 5 meter wide and weighs over 250 tons but is perfectly balanced. So this is natural, this is nature. That's why this great run of Kutch, Valley of Flowers, Amarnath Cave, Jog Falls, Laktak Lake and Balancing Rock are the natural wonders of India. Right. Another balancing rock in Jabalpur also. It is located near the base of the Madan Mahal fort in Jabalpur. Here I am showing you the balancing rock at Mahabalipuram, and another balancing rock is in the Jabalpur. Right. Now come to the exercise. Now answer the following questions orally. But you can write the answer. Orally मतलब मैं orally बता रही हूँ, but you have to write. First, Gujarat Tourism shot an advertisement in the Run of Kutch titled Khushbu Gujarat Ki. Which celebrity featured in the advertisement? Very familiar name, Amitabh Bachchan. AMITABH BACHCHAN. अमिताभ बच्चन. गुजरात टूरिज्म में एक एडवर्टाइजमेंट शूट किया था रन ऑफ कच्छ को लेके, और उन्होंने नाम दिया खुशबू गुजरात की. अमिताभ बच्चन वॉज अ सेलिब्रिटी who have done this ad. Second, if you were in the town of Mahabalipuram, and what is the attraction of Mahabalipuram? Yes, I told you, balancing rock. In Tamil Nadu, which type of sarees could you buy for your mother? कौन सी साड़ी तमिलनाडु की फेमस है? कौन सी साड़ी है? कांचीपुरम. KANCHIPURAM. And in this chapter I told you one more thing famous. आपको खरीदनी नहीं है. That only natural wonder I told you. That was balancing rock. And if you were, the question what they are asking, if you were in the town of Mahabalipuram in Tamil Nadu, which type of sari could you buy for your mother? Kanchipuram. KANCHIPURAM. Next, children. Like the Amarnath cave, another holy cave shrine of the Hindus is located in Jammu and Kashmir. Name the shrine. बहुत फेमस है चिल्ड्रन. वैष्णो देवी. जय माता दी. VAISHNODEVI. अमरनाथ केव की तरह ही जम्मू एंड कश्मीर में ही श्राइन है, एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड वैष्णो देवी. फोर्थ, on a full moon night, the run of Kutch appears to be of what color? As already I have said you that it looks very beautiful. The great run of Kutch, it looks very beautiful on a full moon night, and now they are asking to be what color? It is white. WHITE. On a full moon night, the run of Kutch appears to be a what color? White. 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 Next. The game of polo originated in one of the 6 states discussed in the lesson. Name the states. That is Manipur. 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 Next, name the river which originates and flows entirely within the state of Karnataka. Sharavati. SHRAVATE. T-ice. Next, have a look of, just have a revision. Gujarat Tourism shot an advertisement in the run of Kutch titled Khushbu Gujarat Ki. Which celebrity featured in this advertisement? Answer, Amitabh Bachchan. If you were in the town of Mahabalipuram in Tamil Nadu, which type of sarees could you buy for your mother? Kanchipuram. Like the Amarnath, question number 3rd. 3. Like the Amarnath cave, another holy cave shrine of the Hindus is located in Jammu and Kashmir. Name the shrine Vaishno Devi. Question number 4. On a full moon night, the Rann of Kutch appears to be a what color? Answer white. Question number 5. The game of polo originated in one of the 6 states discussed in this lesson. Name the state Manipur. And question number 6, last. Name the river which originated and flows entirely within the states of Karnataka. It is Sharavati. Children, next assignment. Write 5 natural wonders of India. You can write Great Rann of Kutch, Valley of Flower, Amarnath Cave, Chowk Falls, Loktak Lake. You can write Balancing Rock, Loktak Lake, Chowk Falls, Amarnath Cave, Valley of Flowers. Any 5 natural wonders of India you have to write. Page number 56, 58 and 59 we have discussed today, children. I hope you understood these lessons. I will send you the PDF of these lessons on your portal as well as on your MS Team. Children, as I told you earlier, page number 57 is a game chapter. So I will send you the PDF of page number 57 also on your portal. So children, revise it, do your assignment in neat and clean writing. This assignment you have to write in the copy. So, thank you children. Thank you very much.